You are not confused. You are scared. You've been calling it research for let's say 2 years now. You've watched more how to start a business videos than even most business owners have ever watched. 10 tabs open, 0 business running. But today we are going to talk about the one gap that is keeping you broke, stuck and busy doing nothing. Because it's not just a knowledge gap, it is an action gap. Before we go in, you will see why other people were there listening about Mark Zuckerberg built something so great that the world still celebrates today. Before we go in, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you're basically studying without registering for exam. Let's get into it. In Harvard, February 2004, there's a cold dorm room, one laptop, one guy who hasn't slept properly in 3 days, and his name is Mark Zuckerberg. Now, down the hall, 3 other students, sharp suits, big vision, a perfect plan for a campus networking site called Harvard Connection. These guys, they had lawyers, but Mark, he had Red Bull. They had meeting. Mark had a keyboard and only a deadline he made up in his own head. So while they were still arguing about the font for their homepage, this guy Mark, he built something. He broke it, he fixed it, and he pushed it live at 1 a.m. His boss SaaS while eating cold pizza like it was a 5-course meal. He had no investor, but he currently have investor now. No board meeting, no let's circle back next quarter. He just he just built it, shipped it, ugly, incomplete, but live. Now this right here, the version that goes live, picks the version that stays perfect in your head every single time. I know some of you here right now, you've had the business plan finished since let's say 2022. You formatted it, color coded it, still sitting in a Google Doc titled final let's say V3, anything you choose to name it, and it has never once made a single naira. Seneca said it best: while we wait for life, life passes. That Harvard Connection team is still to this day no meaning for waiting. Now listen to me, you don't need the perfect vision, you need the version you are brave enough to let people see. Now like and subscribe if this is already stepping on your toes a little, because we're just getting started. Now what got out, the other thing was furious. Instead of shipping faster, they even slowed down the more. They went ahead to hire more lawyers, called more meetings, wrote more emails with more exclamation marks. They were basically preparing a PowerPoint presentation for a war they were already losing. Meanwhile, the dorm room site Mark built in a weekend was spreading through Harvard like cheese on a Monday morning. Then Yale, then Stanford, then Columbia. He wasn't smarter than them. He wasn't better funded than them. He was just done thinking, and what he started doing. Now, here's what most people miss: motion beats meeting every time. Most people in your position, you've had 3 strategy sections with yourself this month, and the only strategy you've actually executed is opening TikTok for let's say 5 minutes. Marcus Aurelius wrote that the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. It means that every excuses that team gave themselves became the very reason they got left behind. I need you to hear me today. You weren't put on this earth to be the most prepared person at the funeral of your own dreams, You have to get up, you move today. Say, I will move today at the comment section. By the time the perfect team finally launched their let's say their polished, well-designed, committee-approved website, nobody cared. The world had already moved on to the messy, ugly, unfinished thing that actually existed. Facebook didn't win because it was the best idea. It won because it was the only one that showed up. And this is what changed everything. Showing up unfinished beats hiding but perfectly. The reason you are not where you want to be currently is not because you like a plan. It is because your plan has a comfortable chair and your action doesn't even have a seat at the table. I've thought about Epictetus in the channel. Epictetus said that first say to yourself what you will be and then do what you have to do. Notice, say it, then do it. Not say it, research it, outline it, delay it, and keep delaying it and wait forever. Somebody needs to hear this today. You are not behind. You're just sitting down. Stand up today. That's it. That's the whole secret. Today, that dorm room project everyone laughed at is worth more than most countries' entire economies. Not because he had it all figured out, because he stopped needing to. Let me make you understand today. Your dream is not waiting for you to be ready. It's waiting for you to move. Every video, every podcast, every one more course, if it is not turning into action, it is just a beautiful way to stay stuck. Most people go ahead to read, say they've read 30 books. I read a lot, but I don't believe in reading without doing the things in the book. I read Atomic Habits last 3 years. When the things started manifesting in my life is after a year or two or so. It takes time to manifest in your life. Let me give you the example. You don't just go out there to buy something. You buy something because you actually need it. You see it in your life. That's why we read books. It's not achievement in saying I've read so many books, and yet if they come to your life, they will not see the purpose of reading that book manifesting in your life. It is a way to stay stuck. Close this app today. Do the one thing you've been preparing for. That's today's assignment. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let us know. This is Trading from the Soul, and I will see you in the next one.